So today we are going to see our country India and its union territories. So before going through its union territories, let us try to understand what is union territories, right? UTS. So union territories are regions in India that are directly governed by the central government. Okay, so here this area are governed by the central government. Now how they are governed it? Through an appointed administrator or lieutenant governor. Although it has been governed by the central government appoint one person. So it may be known as administrator or the lieutenant governor. So he will responsible for particular region, right? Unlike states which have their own governments. However, states have their own government, but here union territories are directly governed by the central government through an appointment administrator. Union territories are created for administrative convenience. Now, why they are created? For administrative convenience, okay? And maybe too small. Maybe the area is too small. Or strategically they are important, or culturally they are distinct to function as independent states. So that's why union territories are created. So, what is union territories and why they are created? So this one I have covered right here, that it may be too small, strategically important, or cultural distinct to function. That's why as an independent state, that's why union territories are created, right? So this is union territory. Now let us see how many union territories are there. There are 8 union territories are there, right? So first one is Andaman and Nicobar Island. So its capital is Port Blair, and its significance is strategic location in the Bay of Bengal, key naval base, ecological and tribal diversity. It is administered by a lieutenant governor. Second is Chandigarh. Its capital is Chandigarh. Now what's significant? It serves as the capital of both Punjab and Haryana and known for its urban planning. It is also administered by a lieutenant governor, also home to central government institution, right? So this is Chandigarh. Next, Dadar and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. So earlier these both were separate union territories, that's why the counting was 9, but now they have been merged. Both the union territories were merged into a single union territory. That's why now we have 8 union territories. Now its capital is Daman, formed by merging 2 union territories in 2020, known for Portuguese heritage, beaches and tourism. It is administered by an administrator, right? So Dadar and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu both are merged, and their capital is right now Daman, and they are famous for the Portuguese heritage, beaches and tourism, and it is administered by an administrator, right? Now, fourth one, Delhi, the national capital territory of Delhi, and its capital is New Delhi. So what's its significance? It is the capital of India, hub of politics, administration and diplomacy. Now Delhi has its own elected assembly and chief minister, but key departments like the police and land remain under the center, right? So this is our fourth union territory, that is Delhi. Fifth is Jammu and Kashmir. Here the capital is Srinagar in the summer and Jammu is in the winter. Previously a state reorganized as a union territory in 2019. So earlier it was a state and later on it has been reorganized as a union territory in the year 2019 after abrogation of Article 370. It has its own legislative assembly but more centrally controlled than before. So even though it has legislative assembly, but it is more controlled by the center, right? So this is Jammu and Kashmir. Now, after that, the sixth one is Ladakh. So its capital is Leh and Kargil. Due to geographical challenges and administrative consideration, Leh and Kargil has been considered as the capital. And its significance is high altitude region. Culturally, Tibetans are there, important for defense and tourism. Now here no legislature is there, it is directly administered by the center, right? So central government used to look after Ladakh. Seventh union territory is Lakshadweep. Its capital is Kavaratti, and its significance is it is the smallest union territory, a group of coral islands in the Arabian Sea, and ecologically it is very sensitive. So here it is also administered by an administrator. Finally, Puducherry, that is the Pondicherry. Its capital is Puducherry and its significance is former French colony, has Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam and French cultural influence. It has its own legislature and elected government, right? So these are our 8 union territories of India, that is Andaman and Nicobar Island, Chandigarh, then Dadar and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu, Delhi, Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Lakshadweep and Puducherry, right? So these are the region in India that are directly governed by the central government through an appointed administrator or lieutenant governor. So this much for our country, India, Union Territories. Let us meet with another topic in the next video.